Artist, I'd like to give a request here. Is there a request? She sees some mountain pieces of broken glass and photographs, reluctantly releases the last of what was her past. It's strong without a warning. Or did you just ignore the signs? In those clouds warming behind a silver light. Did it always come like thunder, and the tears it fell like rain? It held warnings from her family were like a hurricane. Oh, she's drowning in emotions. She cannot reach the shore. She's alive, but can she survive the storm? A broken jukebox dancer, lies and pieces out too. She's finding out the answers don't change nothing at all. The sound that she's searching for who to trust and what's went wrong. The only thing for certain is gone. She's gotta move on. The door is down like thunder, and the tears it fell like rain. And the warnings from her family were like a hurricane. Oh, she's drowning in emotions. She cannot reach the shore. She's alive, but could she survive the storm? Someday they just roll on by without a gray clouds in the sky. She keeps telling herself, I will make it on my own. Her prayers, they will come back to the house, thinking she will be alright. As she races through the night to make it home. The door is up like thunder, and the tears it fell like rain. And the warnings from her family were like a hurricane. Oh, she's drowning in emotions. She cannot reach the shore. She's alive, but can she survive the storm? She sees some mountain pieces of broken glass and photographs, reluctantly releases the last of what was her past.
Alright, thank you so much.
Palakpak! Nainsan niyo, oh. May palakpakan.
Alright, thank you so
Moral
much. That's
support.
your request, pa.